Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I'm testing this out, but we're going to do actual live stream on this. So I'm just testing to make sure the mic is working. I'm Cody Brock here with Grayson County weather. The time now is 9 o'clock on the dot for this tonight's live stream update here on Grayson County weather. Well, here in a couple of seconds. So right now, this is what the radar is looking like. Phosphor reflectivity is showing up on the radar right now. So that's not falling right now. And you see the cool new transition we got that we made over the weekend. Well, last week that I made. Downloaded some of it offline. But it looks pretty nice. So we got a couple of snow showers up north around Michigan and parts of Canada. Some going through Buffalo right now and like that. But our snow is coming from the south because let me see if I can pop the winter advisories. Wonder if it'll let me pop them in or not. I'm waiting for it to show the advisories and stuff right now. I don't know if it's letting me or not. Why I'm jumping on here is to talk to you about this, what it's going to do this weekend and everything, because that's why I decided to issue that weather alert day for tomorrow night through Monday with a chance of winter weather. So that's why I went ahead and issued that weather alert day for tomorrow night through Monday morning. So let's take a look at the temperatures around the area right now. So temperatures right now is in the 20s right now with a 24 here in Grayson County and 24 up north in Hardinsburg around that area. Meade County, you're sitting at 22. Louisville, you're at 31. And is that me? Shepherdsville, you're around 25 degrees. You're across the region, you're in the 20s right now. Let's take a look at the wind chill. But right now, in Grayson County, it's 24.3 degrees. Dew point is at 20 degrees. Wind is west-northwest at 1 mile per hour. So Grayson County is right there on the map. Right there, yeah. But with the wind chill is like in the 20s as well. So that's what we're looking at the temperatures right now. But this is courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet at WKU. So what I'm going to show you is I have the weather slides set up. I don't know what I did with. Nope, that is not it. Thing 2, yeah. Oh, we'll just use this. So here's slide briefings from the National Weather Service up in Louisville. They created these slides to get everybody prepared for the winter weather that's supposed to be happening this weekend. So that's why I decided to jump on here and tell y'all what it's going to do. I would do it from the home computer, but my home computer is messing up still. So that's why I'm remoting the computer up in Louisville to do this live stream still keep you all updated during the winter weather coverage and everything as well. As I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with the program and everything. I've been trying nonstop to try to get it fixed, and something ain't right. But winter storm warning in effect for Saturday morning through Monday morning. Major impacts expected. Large snow and ice totals will bring major impacts to roadways, utilities, and daily life. Power outages and impassable roadways are to be expected. Large snow and ice totals. Snow totals may range from 3 to 15 or more inches over all of Kentucky and southern Indiana. Freezing rain over southern Kentucky is looking to be up to a half an inch, 1 inch per hour snowfall rates. These totals are subject to change. Storm uncertainty. The storm track is being to take more northerly paths, which has increased ice over southern and central Kentucky. Dangerously cold temperatures, near or below zero temperatures, and wind chills through midweek. If possible, if power is out, this will be very impactful. So that's what that slide is looking like. Let's go to the next slide. So, winter storm warning. A winter storm warning for southern Indiana and central Kentucky from 1 a.m. Eastern Time to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday. Widespread heavy snowfall and ice expected. The chances of a significant sleet and ice accumulation have increased across southern Kentucky. Expect major impacts include power outages, impassable roads, impacts on other utilities, and downed trees. Confidence of a winter storm is high. Snowfall forecast probability. The winter storm track is beginning to shift north, which the increasing snowfall over the Ohio River and increasing ice over southern Kentucky. Confidence of probability has increased for heavy snowfall amounts over the entire area. Snowfall amounts may change as the forecast updates. Confidence in snowfall amount is in the medium. Snowfall forecast probability. Snowfall amounts of 15 inches or more, probability exceeding 15 inches of snow. The winter storm track is beginning to shift north, which increases snowfall over the Ohio River and increasing ice over southern Indiana. Confidence and probability has increased for heavy snow amounts over the entire area. Snowfall amounts may change as the forecast updates. As you can tell, Elizabethtown and Grayson County and parts of I think the whole state of the whole county of Breckenridge is in that 40% range, and Meade County is in the 50% range for that. But Breckenridge County and Grayson County, you're in the 40% range. If you go down south, you're in the 30%, and then after that, you're in the 20%. Meteorologist Dustin Knight said 2 rounds. First round is Saturday morning into the afternoon. Several inches of snow possible with that. Brief Saturday evening. Second round is Saturday night into Sunday. That's a tricky one. Likely a mix of sleet, snow, and freezing rain, transitioning to snow through Sunday morning. How fast the transition happened determines the snowfall totals. That's from meteorologist Dustin Knight. Ice forecast probability. The winter storm track is beginning to shift north, which increased snowfall over the Ohio River and increased the ice over southern Kentucky. So Elizabethtown and Breckenridge, parts of Grace County, you're in that 10% range or 15% range, I think. And then if you're in the blue, you're in 20%. Then that pinkish color, 30%. Orange is 40%. And then brighter orange is 50. So forecast of snowfall amounts. So if you look on here, you got 8 to 12 for the yellowish tannish color. Or for the orange area right there, like around Frankfort, Lexington, Louisville, 12 to 15 or more inches of snow. If you're in the eastern part of Kentucky, you're going to get 3 to 4 inches. If you're around Bowling Green, Barron County, Greene County, areas like that, you're going to get 6 to 8 inches. Dry to snow ratio on Saturday, it's going to be dry / fluffy, but that more it's going to be more up towards Cincinnati, up towards that way, and parts of above Louisville as well. But Sunday snow ratio is going to be heavy / wet snow a little bit. The more we're in that halfway mark as well. Ice accumulations up to a tenth of an inch to a glaze to a tenth of an inch. But if you're in that hatched area, greatest uncertainty within this area is what the National Weather Service said. So the timing for this, for the first round, is from 7 to 11 a.m. Then up north in that blue area is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's what it's looking like. Then ending time on Sunday is 7 to 9 p.m. And then after that, you have the tannish teal color. That's 8 p.m. to midnight. Then for the eastern part, it'll be after midnight. Dangerous cold air is possible this week. Here's a list of the temperatures for each day. So I'm going to keep this on here for a little bit, let you all read it. Look at it for a little while, so you can stay updated on that. Winter storm, what can you do? Make sure your home is winter ready. Buy needed supplies before the storm arrives. Have a plan in case you lose power or are unable to leave your home. Prepare your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is weather ready. Be sure to include safety kit, cold weather gear, and all the necessities you may need to deal with the storm ahead. Monitor your forecast. Stay up to date with the latest forecast. Information as the storm approaches. Monitor your favorite source of weather information. Have a plan. Before the weather threatens, be sure to have a communication plan, change travel plans, and prepare for the impact to your routine. Winter storm watch. There is a potential of a significant winter weather event. Conditions are possible but not imminent. Winter weather advisory. Winter weather advisory is immediate and may cause inconvenience. A winter storm warning is a significant winter storm is immediate and imminent and is a danger to life and property. A blizzard warning, a significant winter storm with strong winds, snow, and low visibility is imminent and is a danger to life and property. An ice storm warning is dangerous ice accumulation are imminent. That's the end of the weather slides. So I'm going to show you go back to my other graphics right now. So let's take a look at your 4-day forecast. So here is a look at your 4-day forecast. I did decide to do a alert day for every day. So for tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, I decided to issue a weather alert day for all every day. Saturday, rain and snow mixed, 60 to 100%, 100% of winery mix on Saturday night. Temperatures around 19 degrees and a low of 14. Sunday, 100% chance of snow, 40% chance of snow that night. 22 degrees is a high, 5 degrees is a low. Monday, it's supposed to be 15 degrees and mostly sunny, and a low around -5 degrees, with it being mostly clear that night. So that's what that is looking like right now. Taking a look at the ice map. So a tenth of an inch is what it's showing on this, a little bit, not that much, but is that the snow chart? No. Looking at the snow accumulation map, it's some of it's saying 7 to 13 inches for Elizabethtown, 8 to 13 inches for Louisville. So it's on here. It's showing 8 to 12 and 7 to 14. Like in Evansville, 7 to 14. But this is what the snow accumulation map is looking like right now. But taking a look at the chart I made, I was comparing weather models today as well, so I've been going back and forth and everything. My guess was I seen some. I was looking at it. Some said 9 inches, some said 7. I've been looking at it every day to see what's going to happen, but I went ahead and kept the numbers low in case I was wrong. But this is what I have: 6 to 12 for most of the area, and 7 to 13. But down south, like Bowling Green and Brownsville, I put 3 to 8 inches. 3 to 8 inches for that area. But I just wanted to jump on here and give you a quick weather update. But right now, nothing's showing up on the radar. Just a little bit of frost reflectivity. But please join me later on. Maybe if I can try to get everything fixed, we'll be able to do it live and use the green screen again. But I've still been having trouble with everything. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here on Grayson County Weather. We'll end this live stream, and I'll get the live stream up and ready tomorrow for the weather slides and everything else. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here on Grayson County Weather.